Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we'll see how to use the offset command in Autocad software, Salapan software. I'll be using the Autocad 2020 version. If you're using some other version, that's okay. There are no major changes in any of the versions. And I'll click on start drawing from here to open a new drawing area. So the offset command is available in the modify panel over here, this one. So let us try the offset command. But before that, just make sure you have the dynamic input option turned on. So if it is off, just turn it on. So if the dynamic input option is on, you don't have to keep looking at the command line for the suggestions. So I'll draw a line as we don't have any object. So let us try the offset command. So I'll be offsetting this line. So I come to the offset command, I click on it. Now it is asking specify offset distance. So I will enter 1 unit and press the enter key. So now it is asking select object to offset. So I will select this line. Now just move your cursor to the right side or the left side. You can place where you want to place it. So I'll place it over here. So as you can see, the command is still active. You can select the line again and continue offsetting the lines. Got it. So I'll press the escape key now. Let us try the offset command once again. So I'll draw a circle. So come to the offset command. It is asking specify offset distance. So I'll go with 1 unit. Press the enter key. Now select the object to offset. So select the circle. So now we can create a copy of the object in a distance of 1 unit. You can place it inside the circle or outside the circle. Just move the mouse. So I'll place it over here. Now if you want to continue, you can continue offsetting the lines or you can press the escape key. Got it? So this is how you use the offset command. So if you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.